Alright meal preppers, today we're making chicken fajitas, an instant summer classic that can easily be recreated in your slow cooker. This recipe serves 6 people, takes 10 minutes to prep and 4 to 8 hours to cook. Honestly, it tastes so good, so let's get into it team. First, let's start by prepping the chicken. Add 600 grams or 1 pound of chicken breast into a large mixing bowl. And now we're going to make our homemade fajita seasoning. In here we want to add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Once all in, we want to toss the chicken and mix the spices in well to ensure that there's an even coating of the seasoning on all the bits of chicken. Once done, this can be put to the side. And next up, we want to grab a chopping board. Then take 2 medium-sized onions, and we want to cut these in half, then slice these into half moons. Then we want to get 3 bell peppers, any colours your choice, and slice these into thin strips. Next up, we're going to grab our slow cooker and place the seasoned chicken along the bottom, along with the sliced onions and bell peppers on top. Now, cover the crock pot and cook on low for 8 hours or on high for 4.5 hours. When this is done, you can then sit back and relax and let the slow cooker do all the hard work. Once the time has ended, your chicken fajita mix will be ready. Remove the chicken from the crock pot and slice into strips. And this chicken will be so tender from that slow cooking, it should fall apart while you slice. Next, you want to remove the bell peppers and the onion using a serving spoon with draining holes. Then, your fajitas can be dished out and assembled for dinner. When you're ready to serve, arrange the fajita mix on the warm tortillas and add your favourite toppings. I've got some of my favourites here such as tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, but the options are endless. This truly is an easy to make dinner for you and the whole family, and it tastes delicious. This generally leaves leftovers for the next day, which is also a huge bonus. As always, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any feedback, and please remember to like and subscribe if you did enjoy that video. Catch you next time team.